So about a year and some change ago, I went to the dentist for a routine cleaning. And the technician looks down at me mid-process and says, "Sir, you've got yuck mouth."
Damn!
So what is yuck mouth, you ask? Well, it's when you don't floss like a real adult should do, maybe once, twice a day. And a lot of bacteria builds up in your gum line and starts basically eating away at your gums, and it's super bad. So what happens next? You gotta pay the cost for a deep cleaning. And I ain't talking about the financial cost. I'm talking about the pain. That is the most painful experience you will ever have in your life. So let's just not let that happen to you. Now, before you start trolling, back off, because I'm pretty sure half of y'all in the comments trolling right now probably got yuck mouth and jungle rot happening in your mouth anyways. But as for me, it's been eradicated. They actually suggested I get an electric toothbrush. So I went online and got a AdvoCare or something like that. Actually, it was a water pick. That's what it was, a water pick. And it was about $120, maybe a little bit more. Had a little water pick base in and an electric toothbrush. I thought I was all fancy. Problem's been eradicated, but I spent $100 and some change on that. I found this online for about 30 bucks, and I wish I would have found it back then. This one's actually going to the wife. This is the GiniHome Sonic toothbrush, and I am digging it so far. You get two toothbrush heads. Let me show you the toothbrush heads. So one of them is a regular toothbrush head, and it's got some kind of wavy design on it, and the other one has a concave design, and it also on the back it has a tongue scrubber, which is super cool. And then as you can see, we got this traveling case, which is ventilated so it won't build up bacteria and stuff in there in your toothbrush heads. So we got the handle here. On the bottom there's this hole. You actually stick it on an inductive charger. It does come with a charging base and it's attached to a USB cable, but they don't give you the charging brick. So Genie, what's up with that? Give us the stinking charging base. So I guess you got to pull one from your old phone or something like that to get it charged up. But according to their claims, it does hold a charge for about a month, so you might not even need to worry about that too much. But right here, you got clean, white, and sensitive. Those are your three settings. And of course, you saw your battery LED light up right there. Now, how's this thing work? It's set up with an automatic 2-minute timer that breaks up into 4 sections of 30 seconds because you're supposed to brush your teeth for about 2 minutes, right? So every 30 seconds, it'll pause and go to the next interval of 30 seconds. It'll do that 4 times and then it completely shuts down. Then you got to start all over again. So for those of y'all who didn't already know, you're supposed to brush your teeth 1 quadrant at a time for 30 seconds each. Boom, 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 boom. And that's what this helps you do, and it helps you stay on track. Now you might say, wow, 2 minutes is a long time. Well, not if you don't want jungle rot in your mouth. Now I got one last gripe about this thing, which is the toothbrush heads. I have scoured the internet and I have not seen any replacement heads from Genie. So Genie, if you're listening, make some replacement heads, man. We will be happy to buy them because this toothbrush is actually pretty awesome. Now as for my current electric toothbrush, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on using it, but I'm definitely giving this one to the wife because I know she wanted one and I'm sure she does not want jungle rot in her mouth, and neither do you. So if you're looking for an electric toothbrush at a very reasonable price, I say grab this one, man. It seems to be all right. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff, but I do know I don't want jungle rot in my mouth ever again. But before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.